Girls, look what you got. What's in there, Mimi? What's in there? Brown's fanny pack? Milk bones? Frisbee? Look at this. Liv, get up here. You want this Frisbee? Technically, that's Maya's. Okay, well, she stole it.
Yeah, so far so good. I like this. These are nice. Hey, stop it. Stop it. I'm trying to test my harness.
我的鼻头，你喜欢把鼻子埋在我的胸口。你说我有一。
What do you mean all angles? Where are you going? We don't need to see all angles. Lydia, what are you doing? Don't worry, girls. I'll carry the tree.